Imam al-Sadiq did not look for quantity. He looked for quality. And why is it that he is the most powerful madhab? Though our number is small compared to others. But he was the teacher of all the other madhahib. And no one can deny this. No one. Go look at the internet and Wikipedia and go look at, the major sources, whether they're Shia sources, Sunni sources, non-Muslim sources. They tell you Ja'far ibn Muhammad is the teacher of all the other imams. And his students are the teachers of the other imams. Why? Because Imam al-Sadiq looked for quality. He would go and hand select the quality students. And he would spend time with them. And he would teach them. And he would leave his home and his comfort and his peace. And he would give them. Why? So they become ambassadors. This is the idea. So they become ambassadors and spreading Islam, spreading the Quran and spreading the teachings of Ahlul Bayt. And this is exactly what happened. The madhab of Ahlul Bayt, though it is the most persecuted madhab in the course of history around the world, it thrives. It is growing. Maybe the fastest growing madhab in the world. Why? Because our ai*immah depended on quality.